Hi there guys, welcome to our unboxing video of a bathroom scale, which is in Bank. We bought it from Temu, and it looks excellent. It'll look perfect, in fact, in the picture, and we're going to find out whether it lives up to the expectation or not. So here it is. It's inside a cardboard box, well secured inside a polythene bag. It's basically made of a hard glass type material, and with a digital display. Needs two AAA batteries, so obviously we're gonna fetch two AAA batteries and we can try it out and see if it is inaccurate and it's a good scale as it looks. It looks neat, it looks perfect, and it's good for up to 180 kgs. It's a lot it can deal with, and it looks neat, and it looks sturdy, well built. It's got a bit of its own weight, which is needed. It's not flimsy, so we're gonna put two batteries in there, and we're gonna basically cross-check it with the reference weight, which I've been to surgery today, so surgery scales are pretty good. So, which was, say, about 4 or 5 hours ago, and we're gonna see if it shows the same weight what I had in surgery. So it's got two units, one is in kgs and one in pound. You can select it using the button at the back, and it's auto shut as well. You don't have to worry about the battery consumption. As soon as you step off it, in few seconds it shuts down, and as soon as you step on it, it turns on and displays the weight. So it's pretty handy. Basically, we have actually a weight reference luckily today using the scale they have in surgery. So basically it's showing about 3 kgs more than what it's supposed to be. So the accuracy, I'm beginning to doubt it, if that is accurate. And inside the small instruction it says that it cannot be recalibrated. So I guess we've got a bit of a dilemma here. It's 3 kg out. I guess we have to live with it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.